Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's topic is algebraic fractions, which we learned yesterday. That is about the addition and subtraction. Today we are going to do algebraic fraction of the multiplication and division. So let's get started. And believe me, multiplication and division is super easy than addition and subtraction. We have to do nothing, just if it is multiply top to top and bottom to bottom, in the sense numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 2x times 4x going to be simply 2 times 4 8 and x times x square, and 7 times 5 35, and nothing common, so we cannot cut down. So this is our final answer. Okay, let's move for the second question. Here if we see here 15 and 5 both have a common factor is a 5, right? Because 15 means what? 3 times 5. So we can cancel down 5 and 5. And if this expression if I see, then 2x minus 6 has a 2 common. So if I take out the common, I factorize it, it gives me 3x x minus 3 inside the bracket and 2 common. So here this and this bracket is a common, so we can cancel down this one and this one. So what remain is this 3 and this 2, and at the top nothing remains, so I will write the 1 whole 3 times 2, which is a 6. Denominator we have to multiply, right? That's why. So if you are not sure, it's little confused, then I will write it properly. Here 3 x minus 3 cancel down, so nothing is there, so I will write here out of 15 5 is a cancel down, so only 3 remain, right? So we write here times 5 cancel down, so nothing remains, so 1 as it is, and here only 2 remain. This x minus 3 is a cancel down with this one, right? So 2 remain. So now what? 1 times 1 is a 1, 3 times 2 6, so this is the answer. Okay, let's move on here. Okay, here we have to divide fractions. So first of all, we change this division sign to the multiplication, and remember that rules: keep, switch, flip. So first we keep as it is first fraction, then division sign we switch to the multiplication, and because we switch this division sign to multiplication, we have to flip this fraction. So whatever denominator goes numerator, numerator goes denominator. Okay, that's it. Let's we try to solve it. Okay, here 3x means what? 3x means 3 times x. So x and x cancel down. Okay, you might have a question, this x cannot cancel. No, we cannot cancel. Why? Because x take away 1. Here it is a x and 1, between them is a minus sign, so we cannot cut, but here it is a multiplication sign, that's why we cancel down. We separate the x and cancel down. Okay, this 4 cannot cancel from anywhere, so what remain? 3 over 4 times x minus 1 over 1. Okay, so let's we multiply, so that is something we expand the bracket process we will go. So 3 times x 3x, 3 times minus 1 minus 3 over 4 times 1 4. That's it. We know this is our answer. Let's move on for the next question. Okay, here as we learn the difference between two square number factorization, so when you see this x square minus 9, immediately come x square and 9 both are square number, and between them minus sign, so we can factorize. Let's we factorize, because we want to check is there anything that common to cut down, cancel down. So x square minus 9 can factorize x minus 3 and x plus 3. We learned this in a previous video, and if you are not sure, go back and check that difference between two square number video. Times 5 over x minus 3. Okay, now if you see here x minus 3 is a common factor. If I factorize this 10, then it is going to be a 2 times 5, right? So 5 and 5 can cancel down. So what remain here? X plus 3 remain. here 2 remain. Okay, this 10 I convert in 2 factors. Okay, and out of this 2 times 5, 5 cancel down, so 2 only remain. Times 5 already cancel down, so nothing means 1. And here denominator nothing means that is also cancel down, so we will write the 1. Okay, when we cancel down, it is not turned to 0, they remain the 1. Okay, so here this thing, if you multiply by the 1, remain as it is. Any things you multiply with the 1, answer remain as it is, that number. 2 times 1 again 2. So this is our fine answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand.